Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy CRO with two different methods. So the first method is using the Crypto.com app and how to get the lowest fees and avoid any additional fees. And the second method will be using Atomic Wallet. Okay, so go into your Crypto.com app for the first method and click the big blue logo icon on the bottom. Now after that, on the bottom left, you should see a buy button. Click that and then click Crypto.com coin. And then I recommend paying with Fiat wallet right here. Now, if you're still a new user for the 30-day trial of no fees, you must realize that banks with debit cards or credit cards will charge international fees. So make sure your bank or debit credit card doesn't charge international fees, because if they do, then you'll definitely be hit with them for this purchase. It's happened before with my dad. Now, this will be on your bank side, not Crypto.com side. I've seen some people get mad at Crypto.com when it's out of their control, and they should be getting mad at their own bank instead for charging the international fee. So as we can see here, this is actually the minimum. It's around like 40 bucks or something for the minimum to top up or with Fiat wallet to buy of CRO. Now, if you don't know how to transfer Fiat into Crypto.com, you can watch my tutorial that I made where I described how to do it with Cash App for free. You can also do it with Apple Cash as well, which takes a lot less time for your money to get into Crypto.com's Fiat wallet. Cash App will usually take a few business days. I personally still haven't figured out how to do it on Androids for a shorter top-up time, and I don't have an iPhone, so I don't know how to do Apple Cash, but I've heard it works. Okay, now onto Atomic Wallet for buying CRO. Some of you may be watching this because you want to buy CRO now, but you're still waiting to be approved on Crypto.com app, so you can't buy through their app right now. So what you will need to do is get access to buy Bitcoin from any site you can use, like Cash App, Coinbase, Binance, literally anything that allows you to buy Bitcoin other than like Robinhood and PayPal. Basically anything that allows you to buy Bitcoin that you can withdraw. You'll be using this Bitcoin to exchange it for CRO, and be aware that some places to buy Bitcoin will make you wait a few days before being able to withdraw the Bitcoin, but usually if you pay by debit or credit card, then it can usually be withdrawn instantly. Okay, now set up an Atomic wallet. I'll have it linked down in the description to go do that. It's a mobile desktop wallet, but it's also on mobile phones as well. So now let's say you have your Bitcoin. What you're going to want to do is click on Bitcoin on Atomic wallet, click receive, click copy right here. Your address has been copied to clipboard, and then you're going to want to send your Bitcoin over to your wallet right here. And how you find it is just click wallet, Bitcoin, and then receive, and there you go. That's the address you're going to want to send it to. So whether you're using Cash App, Coinbase, or whatever you're using to buy Bitcoin, you're going to want to send it to this address of your own on your wallet. And then from there, you can then click on exchange once you create your account and make it Bitcoin right here. And then make this one CRO. You can search for them too. And you have to do a minimum of 0.00013291. The minimum, I think, is always changing depending on the price of both tokens, but currently it's worth around like $77 to convert Bitcoin to CRO. So you're gonna need probably just like $100 to be safe of Bitcoin, and then send it over to Atomic Wallet. And then once it gets received in Atomic Wallet, you can click exchange, and you'll have your Bitcoin move it to CRO. The exchange rate's right here. The network fees are right here. And then you'll just click on exchange, and that's when it'll go through, and then you will get your CRO that you've been wanting, and you didn't even have to wait for Crypto.com to verify you. Now that you're holding CRO in Atomic Wallet, though, this is going to be a really important step if you are completely new to crypto in general. Be sure to write down your 12-word backup phrase on a piece of paper and hide it somewhere safe, just in case you forget your password to Atomic Wallet, as there isn't a forgot password, as it's a decentralized crypto wallet. The 12-word backup phrase is basically the backup password. It can be entered into pretty much any decentralized crypto wallet, and it will restore your crypto. Also, never share this with anyone, because if someone has access to it, they can take all your crypto holdings away from you. That only. They don't need your password or anything. It's basically like a master password. All they need is the 12 or 24-word seed phrase, and that'll be enough for them to take your crypto. And where you find it is in settings, private keys, and then right here. This will be where your 12-word recovery phrase is. Although if you're new setting this up, then they probably have it at the very beginning as well. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content like this one, and let me know if you have any comments or questions about this, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.